Okay. All right, Cindy, what is the lymphatic system?
Why did that pick on me?
Because.
Um,
Not looking at your notes, just what you know from the top of your head. What can you say about the lymphatic
it
system?
fights diseases.
Exactly. Through what process? What is the component that is there to fight diseases?
Not pathogens. No. I don't know.
Okay. All right. How does the lymphatic system fight disease, Kristen Arnold? Gail?
Through lymphocytes, white blood cells.
Right, okay. So a lymphocyte is a white blood cell. That takes us back to the chapter of the blood. White blood cells are characterized in two categories, right, Susan? What are those two categories? They are broken down into, Heather?
Granular, agranular.
Yep, agranulocytes and granular leukocytes. Kristen L., what are the agranular leukocytes?
What are they?
What are the white cells that are in the category for the agranular leukocytes? Not neutrophils, agranular.
Red blood cells.
What? Well, nope, we're just talking about white blood cells now. Sorry, Natty?
Monocytes and lymphocytes.
Monocytes and lymphocytes, right. Okay, and then our granular leukocytes are what, Gail?
The neutrophils, basophils, and eosinophils.
Right. What's the most important function of a neutrophil, Gail? Most abundant in the total?
I asked that yesterday.
Most abundant in the total population. Natty?
Macrophage?
A macrophage is a monocyte, but a neutrophil and a macrophage do have the same characteristics in that they both accomplish this. The engulfing of pathogens, what's that called? Phagocytosis, right. All right. So we talked about yesterday when we started the lymphatic system, and we said that the lymphatic system is going to have vessels, just like the blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart and back towards the heart. One of the functions of the lymphatic system was to return excess tissue fluid back to the heart again. And it accomplished this by vessels. Oh, Lauren, nice of you to join us. That's okay. We just care that you're here now. Go ahead and take a seat. She's probably thinking, oh no. All right. Lymphatic vessels are going to resemble which type of blood vessel do they most resemble and have the same characteristics as? Gail?
Veins.
Veins, right. In that what? Veins do what? And lymphatic vessels do this as well.
Carry blood to the heart.
Do lymphatic vessels carry blood?
No, they carry blood.
Good. Okay. So that's what we're going to pick up today, and we talked about yesterday how lymphatic vessels are coming back up towards the heart. They have the characteristics of veins where they start off very small, they get larger and larger. All lymphatic vessels are going to go through lymph nodes, and that's what we're going to pick up today. In your body, you have lymph nodes, as you can see from this diagram, located all over the body. But there are 3 areas in the body where there's lots of clusters of the lymph nodes. And you probably can relate to this because everybody's had swollen glands at one time or another. You might have had a sore throat, you woke up in the morning and noticed that you had some swelling on the side of your neck here. That is the lymph nodes that are swollen in this area. The 3 major clusters of lymph nodes are in the cervical area, which is in the head and neck area, axillary, armpit, and then in the inguinal, in the groin region. Lymph nodes filter lymph, all right? And so here we go for our new topic. The structure of a lymph node, and we can read this, and let's say divided into compartments that are called nodules and separated by sinuses. So 2 parts of a lymph node. The nodules are masses of lymphocytes and macrophages. Well, think about this for a minute. If all lymph is filtered through a lymph node, why would a particular part of the lymph node be composed of masses of lymphocytes and macrophage? That's telling you what the whole function of the lymph node is. What do you think, Lauren?